What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're finally going to change the front end up a little bit, and what I got is an eBay carbon fiber lip. Let's see how much of a carbon fiber this is. All right, guys, so here it is. I lied, it's not carbon fiber. What it is, it's a 3-piece lip, as you can see, and this is like a it looks like a polyurethane material, but I was looking at the description to see like exactly what they use. They use the word painted, but looking at this looks hydro dip, so that's what I think they meant by painted. So some of you might be asking, why would I cheap out on a lip? Question is, or the reason is, it's going to be in the front. Once this car is lower, it's going to be scraping. No need to spend $600-700 on a legitimate carbon fiber lip when it's going to get scraped. There's a possibility of it ripping, tearing off. This lip was 115 bucks. Looks like carbon fiber to the untrained eye. I mean, you really can't tell unless you really stare at it and really close. So we're gonna install it and see how it looks. I'm actually pretty excited. So, all right, guys, this is installed. I'll quickly go over what I did. Well, first off, as you can tell, like looking at it, you would never tell that it's hydro dip. I think it looks phenomenal. What I'm actually seeing now, though, since it says 3 separate pieces, you can see like the hydro dip don't match here, these two. And then over here, these two don't match. This one is actually really noticeable in these two, but just looking at it, I don't think you could really tell. If you really stare at it, you could tell. But quickly, I'll go underneath. This lip, they come with pre-drilled holes, so I'll show you where I drilled mine. Focus. All right. So, like I said, pre-drilled holes. One there, one there, one there. One there. Here's where it connects. There you go. Those two. Bolt there. Or screw there. Sorry, screw. Screw. Those two to connect right there. Screw. 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 And finally screw. And you could tell some of the hydro dip got underneath this, you could see that, but overall, for 115 bucks, I can't complain. Like I said, lips get scratched and torn off all the time. I can't tell you in previous cars how many times I've gone through lips. So this is a good option to not spend the same amount of money as a flat black, and at least it comes with like a carbon fiber hydro dip. So I'm happy with it. I'll put the link in the description if you guys want to get one for yourself. Like I said, it's cheap. It's 115 bucks. Can't beat it. I think it looks great. I mean, here's from the side. Like, I think it looks great, and for the money, I'm happy with it. Can't complain. I have no complaints at all. For the price, it's good. So, all right, guys. So, hopefully you like this video. More install. Like there's more stuff coming up. There's actually some coming for under the hood. Nothing major, or maybe it could be. You just have to tune in next video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Put the link of my Instagram down below. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. It shows pictures of the car. So hopefully you like this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.